Come meet our snack and store glass storage system. I have to tell you, 1 cup capacity, you're getting a set of 4, and I love these for so much more. We call them snack and store, but it's snack and store and so much more. So first of all, they have an airtight, watertight lid. The system here is this silicone that you're just gonna give a little pop to. Some people say you can burp it, and then that actually releases that silicone seal. 1 cup capacity is perfect for meal prep, it's perfect for leftovers, and it's perfect that you're getting a set of 4. You put that lid right on there, you push it down, you can actually hear the air release from that. We call that the sound of freshness. And when you push down that silicone seal, it is sealed and ready to go. 4 different colors, you're not choosing. You're gonna get a blue, a green, a red, and of course a black. They make great individual gifts if you wanted to bake something in here and gift it. And I have to tell you, it's our glass. So it goes in the oven up to 500 degrees. You can put these in the dishwasher on the top rack when you wanna go ahead and clean them. The only thing we ask is that you don't put that lid in the microwave or the oven, but other than that, our glass with our beautiful pattern on it is the best way to snack and store.